Kia ora everybody. I have never in my life done an unboxing video, but I've watched a few and they do look a lot of fun. So I wanted to show you what just arrived this morning. I'm really excited about this. This is my Stampin' Up box that I joined for. It's probably taken about 10 days to arrive. So that gives you a little bit of an indication about postage times. Maybe a little bit less. Actually, I wasn't expecting it today, so I'm really excited. Anyway, I want to show you what's in there. So I'm just going to open it up. I haven't looked yet, so this could be very disorganized. Apologies if the video doesn't work particularly well, but I've given myself the option of editing it. So this is not going live. I'm going to hopefully get a chance to edit over. All right, so let's have a look at what's in here. This is both my joining kit and the purchasing that I made with my 285 New Zealand dollars to see how far that went. So I've got a few bits and pieces in here, and I'll try and remember what is part of the joining kit and what is choice spend. So you get $285 to spend on your choice of product, which is, I think, an amazing deal. So I want to show you what I chose plus what comes in the kit. So I'm going to try and separate it as we go. This one will be a set of catalogues, I think. Feels nice and heavy. Yes, it is. So this is a set of the Stampin' Up annual catalogues. So that is for May 2023 to April 2024. That is actually soon to go. So these are really going to become ideas books for me, giving me ideas of what I can create, because I've never seen their product. Well, I haven't seen this product before. I have seen Stampin' Up product before, but it was a long time ago. I certainly haven't seen any current product. So that'll be quite nice to look through for ideas. Another set of catalogues here. This one is January to April 2024. So again, I think this is going to become a set of ideas books for me. There are 8 in here. That is part of my joining kit. Very important stuffers to keep everything nice. A whole set of your invited postcards. So if we create an event, you might receive one of those to ask you along. I've got a set of envelopes to put catalogues inside or host paperwork. That's in there, and I'm not sure how many in there, but it looks like kind of 10 to 12. I'm not sure. I will open that later. I've also got another big box of catalogues, and I'm hoping these are the new ones. Yes, indeed. Okay, so these are the new ones that I'm going to be really interested in. This is the new annual catalogue, May 2024 to April 2025. That's what they look like. I can't wait to look through this. I've seen a few of the products, but I haven't seen an actual catalogue, and I am definitely a paper person. I like to have a catalogue in my hands. So I'm going to be interested in looking at those. I think the box looks as though it contains 8. Yes, 8 in a box there. Right, so I think that's my joining kit. And now for what I spent my money on. I kind of forgot what I spent it on, to be honest. I wanted to get some product that could double up for my foray into card making, plus my scrapbooking, which is definitely something that I think my ladies will like. So I tried to get sets with dies as well. So I've got 2 sets of polymer stamps. So they're the see-through ones. I'm interested in sticking to the see-through set because we all know how much easier that is to stamp with. So I've got this really cool one called Hot Air Balloon Photo Polymer Stamp Set. Looks like this. Plus with that, I have got the dies that go with it. So that's the dies there, and they go with the hot air balloon. So I didn't invest in any paper or cardstock yet. I think I've got quite a lot that can keep me going for a wee while with the Close to My Heart papers. We are allowed to keep using the Close to My Heart papers, which is lovely. Right, there's the hot air balloon stamp set, dies set. So that coordinates with that first one that I've just shown you there, the hot air balloon. So they go together. Plus I bought this one, the Trusty Tools one. I thought it'd be great for Father's Day, but also for some more masculine pages, scrapbook pages. But also I am working really hard. Some of you know I'm working really hard on an old batch at the moment, trying to get it together, make it a bit better. I've got a few photos to do for that, so that's cool. So those are the photopolymer stamps, and that's the shapes they make, just like the cover. Right, that also, I hope, goes with this one. So I tried to keep them together. We all know how useful it is to have the dies that cut the stamps. So when you have the chance to get the dies, it's great to get it as well, unless it's a really simple shape. So this one, ooh, there we are. Ooh, that's the tool set. Cool. They're all stuck down at the moment. I quite like the magnet idea, so I might be getting myself some magnet sheets to stick these onto, because I think that will keep them probably flatter, and I don't want to lose any pieces, obviously. Plus I got two other things, so that goes with the Dad's Day one, the tools. Trusty Tools it was called. I also got another embossing set, which doesn't come with stamps, but I'll show you why. This one, I'm interested in this one because I'm a scrapbooker, mainly scrapbooker, but I can see me using it on cards as well. So this one is a mini set of letters. They're really little, but they'll cut in one sheet. So you cut the whole alphabet. You've got loads of letters. You've only one roll through. You've got all the alphabet. You don't have to do every single letter separate. I just love that idea. So that will cut all the letters A to Z, plus the exclamation marks and the punctuation and some other random letters, because Stampin' Up! Is in more countries, I think, than Close to My Heart was, and you have always got some French, some German, and some Dutch, I think, on there as well. So it has a little wallet, and it goes. Keep everything together. Very cool. Okay, and I got one other thing because I wanted to use up my money. Got a Stampin' Right pen, and I will let you know how that goes because I haven't tried one of their Stampin' Right pens yet. But it looks as though it's got two ends, which I didn't expect. Right, we've got a 0.5mm brush pen for one end. Oh, it's a brush pen. That's cool. Actually, I really like brush pen. And the other end is a nib like this, so a little bit more. I would call that probably the brush pen. And this, it looks like a felt tip. So you've got two ends to write with. Marker. There we go. So that is my bundle that arrived this morning. Very exciting. Lots and lots to play with. Like I say, no paper yet, or cardstock, because I'm definitely stacked up for cardstock. I've got plenty of that. I'm going to enjoy using the dies, seeing how they go, and using the stamps, seeing how they go, and experimenting, seeing what I can create, bringing our two ranges together, the Close to My Heart range and the Stampin' Up! Range. If you are watching this and it is still April, just be aware, because today I think for me is about the 12th of April, just be aware that you have to the end of this month to purchase with Close to My Heart as it stands. They will keep selling off, or we will keep selling off inventory until it's gone at reduced prices. At the moment we have so many sales going on the site, it's hard to keep up with. So things will disappear fast because obviously they're at a reduced price. Please do purchase now if there's anything you want to get. Get together with friends if there's other things they want so that you can share that postage. There are a few new ink pads and ink refills that have come in the other day. If you're waiting for a particular colour, do have a look and see if they've got yours come in recently. So we have to the end of this month. I'm still a maker, and then at the start of May I officially transfer. So last day of April is coming up quite soon, and I transfer to being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So a bit sad, but yeah, we've had warning, which is really good. I know you've seen my other video for that. All right, Thank you for watching this morning. Have a lovely day. Have a really crafty day. Another beautiful day here in South Canterbury. Have a good one. Thanks, everyone.